This segment is sponsored by Salsa de Leon. Welcome back, friends. The best salsa you will ever taste has been spicing up taste buds for over 20 years. Leticia and Armando de Leon, owners of Salsa de Leon, are here to show us the many ways this amazing salsa can spice up all of your meals. Leticia, it's so good to meet you.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having us on your show.
We're so happy you're here today. I know Armando, your husband, is there. He's going to be whipping up some recipes, showing us ways that we can utilize all of your delicious salsas. But how did you even start your business? How did this all begin?
So my husband and I have been making our salsa for over 20 years. And over the years, we had friends and family that would comment to us that we should consider bottling to sell our salsa. But we were so busy with our jobs, we were so busy with raising our kids, and we just didn't have the time to invest in anything else. So it wasn't until 2018 that we figured, there's only one way to find out if our salsa would sell. So we went ahead and we formed our business, and we started selling our salsa at farmers markets. We were meeting friends and family in parking lots of grocery stores and daycares. And our business just started taking off from there. So Wonderful. We're extremely grateful for the customers that continue to buy our salsa, and we're extremely grateful for the support that we have received from friends and family over the years.
Absolutely. Congratulations on all your success. Now, you want everyone watching right now to know that your salsa is for more than just dipping, right?
It is.
So tell us the different ways we can utilize it.
So we actually promote our salsa on our social media platforms as an ingredient to cook within your recipe. And right now, my husband is actually cooking some spicy beef fajitas. So he grows these outside, he brings them inside, he cuts them up, he puts them in a skillet, adds our salsa, and then simmers them really slow so they can get really moist and tender. And then he will add any kind of topping that you want on top of that. But it really enhances
amazing. Well, Leticia, I know the big question everyone wants to know right now, where the heck can they get your salsa? Where can they get their hands on it?
So you can find our salsa at H-E-B stores. And we ship everywhere. And we also have a list of other retailers on our website where you can actually purchase our salsa at. So it's pretty easy to get.
I think I just figured out the perfect Christmas gift for all those salsa lovers. Leticia, thank you so much. Give Armando a high five for me. I wish we could taste those fajitas. I'm sure they're delicious. And for more information, and as Leticia mentioned, if you would like to find out where you can buy some yourself, go to salsadeleon.com.